Oh, oh wow. So here's an ordinary lock, and here are two keys. One, you'll notice, looks a little bit different from the other. And that's because this key can destroy this lock. That's right. This key actually is very different. This can, if we just break it off and apply some heat, over time, destroy this lock. The reason why this key is able to destroy this lock is because it's cast out of pure gallium from the original key itself. And one of the funniest things about gallium is it's able to melt at just under 30 degrees centigrade. You can see the key actually melting just from the temperature of my hands here and turning my hands a silver grey, which can stain them black for some time. This is pure gallium. It's a really interesting metal, and it forms a degenerate alloy with aluminium like this. So just through the nature of contacting aluminium like this, this will react and interrupt the crystal structure of the aluminium metal itself and slowly destroy the lock. Okay, so I tried to do a time lapse, but seemingly nothing happened. Then I picked up the lock and look at this. It just, well, let's open it up. Let's see if it breaks. It looks like it's got a crack all the way through it. So, I mean, and saying that, it doesn't even look that bad, does it? Oh. Oh, wow. Oh, that's so weird. Oh. So the bottom bits fell off because I think there's a spring that came out and shot itself across the room somewhere. So this part of the lock must have been under significant sort of pressure. But look at this, that sort of coating on the lock is just sort of coming off in my hands. And then, well, will it break in half? Oh wow, not just in half. I mean, that's, this is so weird. I mean, what? That is crazy. Oh, that was, wow. Didn't expect that. And also, look, it's a skeletonized core. I didn't know that the Hunt 140s had that. And then look at all that stuff on this glove and on my fingers. I'm going to have to wash my hands after this, aren't I? But wow, that's crazy. Just look at the... Oh, wow, it doesn't even... I mean, just... It breaks apart, like... That's mad. It's crazy. I mean, that is so... It's like rotted the aluminium all the way through. Just see if I can get a bit of focus on there. I mean, that is just so unpleasant. I didn't think that the gallium would do sort of that level of destruction. I've seen videos on gallium and aluminium before, but wow, that is the way it sort of looked okay on the outside until you started rubbing away, and then it sort of exposed. Oh wow, look, it's just flaking off. That's really destroyed that lock, hasn't it? So there you go. And look, that's like a little aluminium cap from where they put the shackle pulls in. That's just come out, and it's got some springs and pins and all sorts. That's absolutely crazy. Brilliant fun though. Let's get a bit of a zoom in there if we can, and just have a look at the destruction there. That's just much more than I thought. Well, look, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you do, leave a like. If you have a comment about this, leave one below. If you haven't subscribed and want to see more content like this, please subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.